Everyone has them, but many do not know how to tame or fix that cowlick on their hair. Let's talk a little bit about what an actual cowlick is. It can come in many different forms, but really all it is a different direction or wave pattern of your hair. So for example, if you look on the front of my hairline, I do always part on this side. That's because I have a cowlick. When I flip it over on this side, you can see my hair wants to go this way. But if I want it to go this way, that is right where my cowlick starts. So some just go, all right, whatever, I'm not gonna fight you, but I'm gonna go this way. What happens when it's on the back of your head? As you can see, my hair kind of pops up right here. I'll spin around and you're gonna see my hair will split, and then it has a cowlick at the very bottom. So right here, I have my part goes all the way down, and then all this hair kind of grows over into the sides where it splits, but then this hair goes straight down. So my cowlick, you can see it right there. And obviously my hair is dirty, but I can try to push my hair, I can back comb, but it just always splits right where that cowlick is. You can't fix your cowlick on dry hair. Yes, you can back comb it, you can hairspray it, you can put texturizing spray there, but it's never going to actually fix the problem. So you have to either start with wet hair straight out the shower, or if you're one that does not wash their hair every day and you have dirty hair, all you need is a spray bottle, and you need to add water to those cowlicks to be able to disrupt that pattern or the hair flow that you do not want. Another thing you're gonna need is styling product. I stay away from volumizing product. Some think, oh, I want some like volume there, but I have noticed with my cowlick, if I use a volumizing product or I have too much volume on my hair, it does split. It's lifted off the scalp, and if it's windy or anything like that, it just will split still. So I like to use more of a medium, something that's going to hold the actual style. So this is a medium hold styling gel. So I will use this on my hair. Another thing I use that is a little different than everybody else, a comb. Yeah, you might be going, a comb? I always use a brush. You can use a brush after you disrupt that cowlick. I like a comb because you want to lay it flat and remove that volume that you're trying to get rid of. So a comb really helps kind of lay that hair down and in the direction you want to go. After you dry and disrupt that cowlick, then you can use a round brush or a vent brush. Another thing I notice people do that is not going to help the cowlick is you have your blow dryer on way too fast. You do not want a very high speed because your hair may dry before you get that disruption in the cowlick. You want to be able to style and push and smooth down and go in the opposite direction while the hair is drying. If it dries way too fast and you haven't gotten it in that right direction, you're gonna battle that cowlick, and guess what? We're here to fix it. If I am dropping things that you've never heard before, hit that thumbs up button, give this video a like, and I want to help you guys fix that cowlick. You guys ready to do it? We're gonna take the water, and as you can see, it was on this kind of back left part of my hair, but we're gonna kind of spray really the whole crown area. Again, like I said, my hair is dirty. It's probably 3 days dirty, so you can do this on your hair if your hair is dirty. Or right out of the shower, we're gonna mimic that your hair is wet, brush out the shower. And then I kind of like to rub that water in. And I am just gonna do it on my crown section. If you guys ever want me to show you how to kind of fix the front, say if I wanted to part my hair on this side and do the other side, leave me a comment down below and I will do another video, maybe even a short for you on getting the front cowlick tamed. So just leave me a comment if you want me to do that. My biggest problem is my crown, so that's why I wanted to focus on it today. Again, now we're gonna do that medium hold gel. Here it is. And I don't want a ton, just enough to help me style the cowlick and disrupt that pattern that my hair is trying to go that I do not want. If you use too much product or too heavy of a product, sometimes it doesn't help you and it hurts. So not a lot of product, and just kind of rub it into your scalp. I'm gonna show you guys before I turn on the blow dryer exactly what I'm gonna be doing, talking so you can hear me before the dryer gets turned on. So while I'm doing it, you notice on the very back of my head, it splits right here. You can see it right there. So I'm gonna take all this hair on this side and I'm going to comb it up over that cowlick and really try to get that hair going in the opposite direction that it wants to go, but laying it flat. Then I'm gonna part it back over this way, and since my hair splits, I want all this hair that wants to go this way to go this way. And I'm gonna kind of comb it up because my swirl or my cowlick is right about there, and I want this hair to still have volume, but not have the cowlick being so prominent. So we're gonna just kind of comb it in all different directions, and you're gonna love the magic that it creates on that split. Okay, again, low speed, medium heat. So as you saw, I was using that comb, really getting that root dry. Now, kind of my mid shafts are still a little damp, and this is when I will go in with my vent brush or my round brush. Okay, now it is all dry, and I'm gonna tilt my head down. You can see it does not have kind of that fluffy part of my cowlick. And the true test, should we spin around? Check it out, you guys. So before, my hair would just naturally split. Even kind of when I ran my hands through it, you could just kind of see where that hair would really split all the way kind of down my head. Now it's covered. I do not have that split. You cannot see really where that cowlick, I'm sure I could separate it. It's underneath there, but that hair is now finally laying right over the top of my cowlick, and I'm not splitting. The wind blows it all over the place. I'm not gonna be able to see that cowlick like I always do. You guys, how easy was that? Doesn't take hardly any time. You just make sure you're using the correct tools, a comb on the root to make sure it gets completely dry before you use a brush. Use a hold styling product, and then you could actually add some hairspray at the very end to really lock in that style. I will also tell you that low speed and medium to high heat is key to making sure you're getting it styled before the cowlick takes control. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it is going to help you fix that cowlick for good. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to ask them down below. And do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hit me up on my social media. I like seeing you guys over there. As always, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.